Alright, okay, this is new. Well, I'm here at DMP Sports Cards with, it's under new ownership, but the good thing is they still have hockey, and so I'm going to be opening up this box of SPx 2014-2015 from Upper Deck. There are 4 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, with a bonus pack on the top, and we'll see how that looks. Actually, why don't we start with the bonus pack? Let's see what's in here. I have no idea. I've not seen SPx at all, so it'll be fun to check it out. So it looks like I have a finite rookie card of Stuart Percy of the Maple Leafs. There we go. Alright, let's go to the regular packs. SPx base card design. Very SPX-y. Looks like we have some retro-looking SPx cards. These look like the ones from way back when in the 90s, but a lot thinner than what they used to be. And then base. So there's 4 cards in a pack. Next pack, base, and an autograph rookie jersey of Adam Clendening. Autograph rookie with, it's a sticker, number 2/399.
Okay,
next pack.
Okay. Hopefully
looks like we have a rookie card, SPx rookies of Brody Sutter.
Trilogy hockey and SPx basketball.
And base.
Not somebody else. You know.
We have a, next up we have a flashback fabrics of Brad Richards. Brad Richards flashback fabrics. And base. Okay, next up another one of those retro cards of John Beliveau. John Beliveau.
Table. That never used to be here. That must be his table, huh? As opposed to mine.
Okay, next up a Victor Rask SPx rookie card. Nice and shiny. Gretzky and Doughty base. Next up we have another retro of Tuukka Rask. SPx rookie of Peter Granberg of the Toronto Maple Leafs.
Do you have SPx basketball as well? Well, no, I won both. Yeah, I didn't, in other words...
We have, looks like a gold card of Yuri Sakak. This is number 250, number 9 of 50. So there we have 9 of 50. Gold rookie card, retro. Oh, Marty Brodeur in his St. Louis gear.
See, originally, this is what he said. This was
2 more packs to go. We have a Seth Helgeson SPx rookie card. Nate McKinnon, and our final pack. We have another rookie card, Curtis Lazar, number 249. Sort of like a red foil on it. I don't know if that means anything. I think the same, the other one had a red foil on it. So there we go, the 2 autographed rookie jersey cards from the box. And there you have it. Look for a review of this product on my blog. Thanks to DMP Sports Cards for shooting the video. I'll see you guys next time.